How to fix Instagram message request not showing. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Instagram. After app appears, you will find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Now heading towards next solution, open your Instagram app. At the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Click on this profile option given at the bottom right corner. Now at the top right corner, you'll find 3 bars. Click on it. Head towards the option of settings and privacy. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in messages. Now click on this option, messages and story replies. Click on the option of message controls. Now over here you will find 3 sections. Potential connections. Open this option, your followers on Instagram. Set it to message request and hit back. Now head towards this option of other people on Instagram. Open it, set it to message request. With that, your problem will be fixed. Now you will be receiving message request. So this is how you can fix Instagram message request not showing. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.